Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639. Welcome to my channel, Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. Friends, in today's video, I like to talk about importance of power of attorney when you're buying and selling your property. So I've been, selling and dealing with families over last 15 years, sell their properties in Greater Toronto area. And this is the document I come across quite often. So what is a power of attorney? So power of attorney is a legal document that gives someone you trust a right to make a financial or healthcare related decisions for you. And just bear in mind, trusted person doesn't have to be attorney or a lawyer. It can be your family member, your spouse, your friend, or any known person. So in Ontario, Canada, we have two kind of power of attorneys. First is for your personal care, health care, but for real estate purposes, we're going to focus on the second kind of power of attorney, that is for properties only. So we need this power of attorney for selling or maintenance of your property, managing your investments, collecting your monies owed to you, or paying your bills. And before you do any of these things, guys, always talk to your lawyer. And this video is only for information purposes. I'm not a legal expert. I'm a licensed real estate broker only. And ask the person you want to be your attorney, is he willing for the responsibility? And the person you're planning to trust has the full power to make decisions on your behalf regarding the sale. And also work with the professional real estate expert who has experience dealing with these kind of power of attorneys, for a smooth real estate transactions. First thing you have to do is, let's say if you're taking care of your older parents' properties, arrange a family meeting with your parents, siblings, kids, and explain the need of your power of attorney. And in these situations, emotions can run high, so you have to be patient and supportive, because giving up control of real estate transaction can be tough for elderly. And ask lot of questions with your lawyers, so everyone understand their obligation as per the documentation detail, and make in writing, so to avoid all the gray areas. Make sure you keep an original copy of power of attorney in safe places. Typically we use these kind of documents, which is power of attorney, for clients who are always busy traveling, they are out of country, they're retiring, and then if some kids are selling their parents' property under estate sales, and always have somebody you're giving authorization, explain them all the details what your expectations is, and notify your real estate agent, your bank, your lawyer about power of attorney very early stage of the transaction to avoid possible delays. And when you're buying a property, lenders sometimes need sufficient time to authentic to find, make sure the power of attorney is authentic and there's no fraud in the mortgage. So let's say if somebody is out of country, maybe sitting in India, he's buying a pre-construction condo in Mississauga. So sometimes banks want original power of attorney, and sometimes they even want the person even to fly at the last minute. So talk to the lender, make sure they understand how you're going to close the transaction. And in Ontario, to make power of attorney, you have to be mentally capable and 18-year-old, for the property's power of attorney. And remember, if you're acting as an agent under power of attorney, you have a fiduciary responsibility to protect your principal's best interest, which means you can't sell the property below market value. You have to give it a reasonable marketing time, whatever is the average days on the market, and you can't buy the property by yourself. And lastly, power of attorneys can be revoked or cancelled as long as you are mentally capable. Yes, you have formed a power of attorney, but you change your mind, or you don't trust the person anymore. Pick a phone, call a lawyer, cancel or revoke it. And your lawyer can obviously put the revocation of power of attorney on the title of the property. and inform all these things to your lender and your agent to have a smooth transaction. And once a person dies, the validity of power of attorney is gone off the window, then the will takes over. Again guys, this video is purely for information purposes. I'm not a legal expert. I'm just a real estate broker serving in province of Ontario, Canada. And my name is Jimmy Singh. If you're in a market to buy, sell your real estate, give team Supermax a call. You can reach me at 647-961-2639. Till next time, to your success, God bless.